Hello, art lovers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a mirror effect foil, which is not the same as metal leaf, to accent your mixed media artworks. So there is a glue, or sizing it's called, in fluid and in relief, which means it creates a raised line in a tube. So let me show you how the tube works. There's a hole in here. I first put it out on a paper towel like this, and then you can go ahead and apply it. When you apply it, it's going to look white. So whether you're using the fluid out of the bottle or out of the tube, you're going to notice that it comes out white. Now, if I made a mistake, I could just wipe it off real quick, because it is water soluble, and reapply it. Once it's been applied and dried, so this is it white right there. You can see it white and it's raised up. That is the relief. But if you were to put it on with a brush, then it comes out flat like this. And if I were to apply some of the leafing to the flat, you can see how it's nice and flat. But this one has the clear, dry mixture relief on it. That's the raised version of it. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to set this aside so I don't get it dirty. This is a mirror relief. It's actually plastic. It's red. The back is silver in this case. Comes in many different colors. I'm going to put it over top of my relief, rub on it either with a finger, or I like to use a cotton ball. And here, just with a paper towel. And then when you lift this off, it's like magic.